For our last part of our trip to Portugal, we are staying in a hotel because the Airbnb prices were just out of control. So, kind of like our Japan trip, we're ending our next international trip to Portugal at a Moxy hotel by Marriott. Moxy hotels are pretty much just, you've got two twin beds, and we've got a wonderful view of the train station over there. It's a small room, but it's very functional for what we need. And then it's got a bathroom with a shower and a Mrs. Ball Traveler, who looks lovely even after our 4-hour train trip. So a very quick tour. I'll keep it at a minute here for this one. And then remember, subscribe, comment, like, and we'll see you in the next video. Travel baldly.